Welcome. Today, we're diving into the updated process for adding an Interests and Activities event post on Facebook. Whether you're sharing a personal milestone or showcasing your favorite hobbies, this feature allows you to add a meaningful touch to your posts. Let's walk through the steps. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the text box that says, "What's on your mind?" This is where you start creating your post. Next, scroll down to find the Life Events section. This area is designed for sharing significant moments, making it perfect for highlighting your interests and activities. Once you locate it, tap on Interests and Activities. Now it's time to fill in the details. Add the information that best describes your activity or interest. You can include descriptions, photos, or any other relevant content that makes your post stand out. Take your time to make it personal and engaging. Once you've completed filling in all the details, tap Next. This step allows you to preview your post and ensure everything looks just right before sharing it with your friends and followers. Finally, tap Post to publish your update. Your interests and activities will now be visible on your timeline, allowing others to engage with and celebrate your passions. And there you have it. Adding an Interests and Activities event post on Facebook is simple and effective for sharing meaningful moments with your audience. Try it out today and let your personality shine through your posts.